Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how to record the Spatial video for the Apple Vision Pros on the iPhone 17. So at first, open the camera application and move with your finger to the Spatial right here. Unfortunately, here we do see only the photo because this white circle is white. Yeah, but to switch to the video, you have to tap this button, little button, camera button over here. Of course, don't move to the Spatial or not move to the panel. Just tap this camera and now you can record a video for the Apple Vision Pros. Here, if you tap this, you can just switch the quality of the thing. And as you can see here, we do have the HD resolution and 30 FPS. And that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.